Next, ये सुनिए ना, अभी आना था।
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I now declare that all the Honorable Judges have assembled. With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, may I now request your Lordship to deliver your Lordship's speech.
Advocate General, Joint Secretary AP High Court Bar Association, other advocates present over here, officers of the registry, ladies and gentlemen, we have assembled here to grieve the sad demise of Honorable Sri Justice Syed Sadatulla Hussaini, former judge of erstwhile High Court of Andhra Pradesh, who left for his heavenly abode on 13/1/2023. He was born on 24/11/36 at Hyderabad, having obtained his graduation degree with English literature in 1959 and LLB in 1962 from Osmania University. He was enrolled as an advocate on 25th of February 1963 and joined in the chambers of Sri Sharif Muhammad and later Sri Sayyid Azimuddin and Sri Muhammad Yunus Salim. He practiced in different branches of law and was elevated as judge of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh on 2nd May 1995. He has held the position of Chairman, Minority Commission of Composite State of Andhra Pradesh at Hyderabad. I am told he was respected by all for his amiable disposition and he was a man of simple living. He was having the quality of wit and humor, and in court he was very smoothly conducting the affairs of the court. He was friendly to everybody, particularly to the junior members of the bar, and enjoyed a very good reputation. In his death, we have lost a legal luminary. Every creation has to taste death, and though death is the only reality of the life and comes at appointed time, yet it becomes difficult to reconcile. His family members would be feeling the pang of separation, which necessarily accompanies his departure. I and my colleague on the bench fully associate with the sentiments and feelings expressed by the members. I, on my own behalf and on behalf of my colleagues on the bench and members of the registry, convey our heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved family and pray the Almighty to grant eternal peace to the departed soul and give strength and courage to the members of his family to bear the irreparable loss.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, may I now request the Land Advocate General to commence his speech on behalf of legal fraternity.
My Lords, the Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Judges, members of the Association, Joint Secretary of the Association, Advocate Community, officers of the Registry. The first memory I have of Justice Sadatulla Hussaini was when he was at the bar, and he would sit at the far end of the association's tables, seated with the old school order of Mr. Pullareddy, Mr. Mallareddy, and Mr. Habib Ansari, and all of them would have a hearty old-timers chat in the typical Nizami and the Hyderabadi tehzeeb of the chai and the biscuit that would come in the afternoon. And while we were all very new to the bar, he would address us in the avuncular, as we say in Hyderabadi, the chicha kind of the conversations that he would indulge all of us in. I have also appeared before him as junior to Mr. Agareddy, the standing counsel of APSRTC, and he would repeatedly joke with my senior that I am calling you as a junior by his name only, and that of the very few people that have become judges at that point in time, being considerably senior at the bar, he never allowed the generation differences or the traditions of the bar come in the way of encouraging the junior members of the bar. He had adorned the bench with Chief Justice Mishra, with Justice Amin Rao, as also the Chief Justice Umesh Chandra Banerjee during that short tenure that he had of 3 years. One of the remarkable features of the learned judge was his ability to converse and break into the colloquial Hyderabadi Urdu and Hindi. And the conversations he would have would always give us the reminiscence of the old Hyderabadi school of culture and the tradition of the Ganga Jamuna Tehzeeb that Hyderabad and other parts of the country have been known for. While his stay in the office as a judge was brief, he has been a part of a few division benches and a couple of judgments on the right to a holding under Agricultural Ceiling Act, and also about the participatory democracy in the local bodies. He had kept himself to a very closed circle of the old-timers of the old Hyderabad bar, and after retirement also we have been given to understand that his lordship had held a very vibrant and an active life. To all the family members of the learned judge, I, on behalf of the fraternity, convey my heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family, with a prayer that Lord Almighty grant him the special space that he had earned for himself in all our hearts.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I now request the Land Joint Secretary of the AP High Court Advocates Association to commence his speech on behalf of legal fraternity.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, the Honorable Judges, Land Advocate General, the law officers of the state, Land Senior Advocates, colleague advocate friends. It is with a sense of grief on behalf of AP High Court Advocates Association, I stand before this Honorable Full Court to condole the sad demise of Honorable Justice Syed Sadatulla Hussaini, who left us on 13th January of 2023. Honorable Sri Justice Syed Sadatulla Hussaini was born on 24/11/1936 at Hyderabad. He obtained LLB in the year 1962 from Osmania University, enrolled as an advocate on 25/2/1963, and joined the chambers of Sri Sharif Muhammad, subsequently joined the chambers of Sri Syed Azimuddin and chambers of Muhammad Yunus Salim. Hon'ble Sri Justice Syed Sadatulla Hussaini was elevated as Judge of High Court of Andhra Pradesh on 2/5/1995. Hon'ble Sri Justice Syed Sadatulla Hussaini served on the bench with the distinction and honor, dispensing justice with an unwavering commitment to the protection of the rights and freedoms of all. He was a true role model for all of us in the legal profession, and contributions to the administration of justice will be remembered for years to come. He was also known for being very courteous to the bar and especially junior advocates, always providing a listening ear, guidance and encouraging to them. This showed his deep commitment to the legal profession and his dedication to the development of the next generation of lawyers. The Honorable Sri Justice Syed Sadatulla Hussaini was retired on 24/11/1998. The bereavement is not only to the family but also to the entire legal fraternity. On this occasion, I, on behalf of AP High Court Advocate Association, I pray the God Almighty for his soul to rest in peace.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, may I now request all to observe silence for 2 minutes as a mark of respect to the departed soul. With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, may I now request your Lordship to announce that the court work for the rest of the day shall remain suspended.
Judicial work for the remaining part of the day shall remain suspended as a mark of respect to the departed soul.